how to transfer crypto from KuCoin App to MEXC Global. So whenever you're transferring crypto, you also have to remember, so let's say you had a bank account, and if you want to send money from one bank to another, what do you need? If you're doing from mobile or online banking, you either need the QR code or the QR scanner or their bank account number. Similarly, that's also the case in the world of cryptocurrency. When you're trying to transfer wallet from one wallet to another, you will need their deposit address or their QR code of the deposit address. Now in this case, let's say you're trying to transfer Bitcoin from KuCoin to MEXC Global, you have to copy the Bitcoin wallet address from MEXC Global app. So specifically which crypto that you're trying to transfer, you have to copy the wallet address for that crypto. Once you've copied that from the MEXC Global app, you want to simply open up your KuCoin application here, and this is the kind of interface that you will see. Once you've done this, simply come to the assets tab from the bottom right of the screen, and here you'll find the withdraw option. Now in my case, I don't have any crypto, so you're only seeing deposit, but if you don't, then you'll find the withdraw option there, which you can simply use. And once you select the withdraw option from there, you'll be able to paste the wallet address that you copied and then simply transfer the crypto to MEXC Global or other wallet as such. So hope this video helped you understand it. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.